Today we'll show you how to easily install your Nighthawk access point. An access point receives data by wired Ethernet and converts it to a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz wireless signal. Let's first unbox your Nighthawk, unwrapping all its contents, and then connect the antennas and stand. Now connect the Nighthawk access point to your modem router or gateway with an Ethernet cord. The access point does not function as a router. If you have a modem router, ISP gateway, or switch hub with a DHCP server, connect the Ethernet port from this device to your Nighthawk access point. Next, plug your access point into an electrical outlet. The access point will turn on. Wait at least 30 seconds for the device to extender LED to turn solid green. If no lights appear, be sure to press the power button on the back. Next, you'll need to use your Wi-Fi device to connect to your access point's network. You'll connect to the network named NETGEAR_EXT. Now follow the setup instructions and then select Access Point to continue setting up your Nighthawk. You'll now be able to set up your network name, security options, and password. And click Next. After you apply the settings, you can now connect your devices wired or wirelessly to your network. Your Wi-Fi access point is now set up and ready to power your network.